Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tea. First, select your favorite tea, whether it's a robust black tea, a delicate green tea, or a soothing herbal blend. The quality of your tea leaves significantly impacts the final taste. Next, ensure you have fresh, cold water, as this is crucial for proper flavor extraction. Finally, always use a clean teapot or mug to prevent any lingering tastes from affecting your perfect brew. Getting the water temperature right is key. For black teas, aim for boiling water, around 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Green teas prefer slightly cooler water, about 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, to avoid bitterness. Herbal teas are quite forgiving and can use boiling water. Steep black tea for 3 to 5 minutes, green tea for 1 to 3 minutes, and herbal teas for 5 to 7 minutes for optimal flavor. For a balanced cup, a good rule of thumb is to use 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea per 8 ounces of water. If you prefer a stronger brew, you can add a little more tea or less for a milder taste. Once steeped, you might enjoy enhancing your tea with additions. A splash of milk, a spoonful of sugar, a drizzle of honey, or a slice of lemon can all personalize your perfect cup. Stir gently to blend everything. Once your tea has steeped to your liking, carefully remove the tea leaves or tea bag to prevent overextraction. Then, pour your beautifully brewed tea into your favorite mug or teacup. It's often best to let it cool for just a moment or two before taking that first delightful sip. Take a moment to appreciate the wonderful aroma and the rich, comforting flavor of your perfectly prepared homemade tea. Enjoy every drop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.